Hi, I'm Angela Johnson. I'm the co-founder of Fabric, the Fashion and Business Resource Innovation Center. My co-founder Sherry and I created Fabric to fill a huge void in the fashion industry. Fabric is a fashion incubator, a business accelerator, a design studio, an academy, and a manufacturer that's sustainably disrupting, redefining, and reshoring the fashion industry for the modern apparel entrepreneur. Almost any type of sewn product can be made at Fabric, and hundreds of apparel entrepreneurs have found everything that they need to start their business, make their product, and grow their brand through Fabric. Fabric's award-winning concept and robust offerings are unique to the country and only made possible by an innovative approach using state-of-the-art technology in which the brand owner is provided with tools and knowledge to manage the development and manufacturing process. This empowering, education-based, hands-on approach saves the brand thousands of dollars and helps to avoid many of the issues and obstacles that are really common in overseas manufacturing. Through this proprietary model, Fabric is leading the way in making reshoring manufacturing a sustainable solution for a modern problem.